Hello everybody, welcome to a video tutorial that explains how easily you can create a contour map online using esurveycad.com. For creating a contour map, you have to prepare the point data in CSV files. Two CSV files may be required. One CSV file having original surface data, that is point data. Two boundary definition file. The application can automatically compute the boundary, but we strongly recommend creating the boundary definition file for the best results. If you have elevation data or boundary data in AutoCAD or BricsCAD, you can create these files using the free list provided in the download section. You can also download sample files from the download section. Creating CSV file from your AutoCAD data is explained in the last part of this video. Prepare your inputs first. Then log into esurveycad.com using your email ID and respective password. Select Contour option from Modules drop-down. Click on the Browse button and locate the CSV file from your computer. Depending on the headings in the CSV file, mention the column numbers in which easting, that is X, northing, that is Y, and elevation data are present. If you have the boundary definition file, select the same using the Browse button. If you don't have a boundary definition and expect the software to create a rough boundary, then specify a scanning radius, that is the approximate average distance at which point data is scattered. In the contour line setting window, specify the major and minor contour intervals. Specify the grid interval of your choice. The user chooses 5 meter or 10 meter as grid interval in most of the contour map projects. By default, the software will create a grid with 0, 0 as the base. If you want to shift the grid lines to some other reference point, specify easting, X, and northing, Y, coordinates of that point on which the grid lines should pass through. In case if you want to draw the grid lines at an angle, specify the same. Value needs to be between 0 and 90. Select your output preference, the output layers option. Click on Generate Contours and wait for a while. After processing the point data and generating the drawing, the software will show 3 more buttons. Click on View button to immediately see the generated contour map. Click on the Download button, in case if you want to download the drawing. Click on the Email button, in case if you want to download the drawing later. When you chose this option, the system will send an email having a file link to you. Please note that you have to download the required file within 24 hours. Later, these drawings are deleted forever from the application server. Preparing the CSV file using free list. Download esurveycad.fas from the download section of esurveycad.com. Open the drawing having point data or boundary in AutoCAD or BricsCAD. Using the upload command, load the downloaded esurveycad.lsp file. If you have point data defined as 3D point or block, create elevations texts using the CE text command. Type CE text at the command prompt and select the point or block in 3D. Depending on points or blocks Z value, the list will create respective elevations. Now switch on the layer having only base layer data. Use EXPD and export the elevation text as a CSV file. Using the XBound command, you can export the boundary definition. Type xbound at the command prompt and select the closed boundary polygons which define the boundary and create the boundary definition CSV file. You can also generate a contour map, CAs, and LS drawings, create earthwork reports, convert KML to drawing, download elevation from Google Earth, and download Google Earth image in your drawing file using esurveycad.com. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please explore our software, Road Infra Suite and Water Infra Suite. Using the Road Infra Suite, you can process the data right from survey. You can prepare contour maps, generate earthwork calculation in any grading project, prepare cross-section, longitudinal section, and do earthwork calculation for road, rail, canal projects. You can do highway design, prepare strip plan, and create plan profile drawing with ease. Using the Water Infra Suite, you can prepare water network drawings, do hydraulic design, and prepare execution drawings. Extract BOQ reports like 3D pipe length, bends, specials report. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos related to infrastructure engineering and design solutions. Click on bell icon to get notification on new videos. Please contact us at +919 4495999709 or email us at info@esurveying.net. Suppose you want to try the software for free. Book a free demonstration at esurveying.net.